A sparkling, spotless home starts with the perfect vacuum cleaner. Choose from 4 types: stick, robot, barrel or upright. First, stick vacuums. Their sleek, lightweight and cordless design makes them just the thing for quick, regular cleans. Perfect for when last-minute visitors are headed your way. Keep one handy in a tall cupboard near the kitchen so you can instantly deal with breakfast crumbs or do a quick daily vacuum of living areas. And when you're done, just pop it back on a charging station. Got hard floors? That's a stick vac specialty, but they'll tidy up carpets too. Perhaps a robot vacuum is more your style. It does all the hard work for you. Simply turn it on or program when you'd like it to run. While you're at work perhaps. Smart models with infrared lasers map the layout of the room for a bump-free clean. Some will even mop your floors too. Busy households love a barrel vac. This is because they have powerful suction for deep cleans thanks to a large motor in a wheeled canister. Look for a model with interchangeable heads, ideal for different floor types and hard to reach places. Retractable power cords means you'll never run out of power. And finally, upright vacuums. These all-in-one units are like a barrel vac and stick vac combined. With wide heads and powerful suction, they blitz carpets, hard floors and even upholstery for a whole house clean. And you'll love the large capacity, which lets you finish multiple cleans before emptying, saving you time on cleaning day. So, what will it be? The good guys are here to help. Visit us in-store or online.